Hello, welcome back to my channel. I've got another Spark 143 model to unbox today, and it's the 2017 Beechdean Aston Martin AMR. 2017 was an incredible year for the Aston Martin brand at Le Mans. With 5 cars entered between both classes, Aston Martin was ready for the fight against the other teams. Qualifying saw the number 97 GTE Pro car P1 and the number 98 GT AM car P2 in its class. The number 99 Beechdean Aston was just inside the top 10 for the start of the race. During the race, the action and the drama was nothing short of exciting and shocking. The most heartbreaking moment came for the number 82 Risi Competizione Ferrari. The car was completing the pass on another Ferrari down the Mulsanne straight when a P2 car came flying up behind. It got off the racing line trying to pass both Ferraris, and when it came back on track, it clipped the front of the Risi car, sending it crashing hard into the Armco. The empathy could be felt by every team, and sadly the car had to retire from the race. As night hit, more drama and retirements came. The number 9 Toyota suffered major rear end damage and a fire broke out at Arnage. This happened right in front of the 99 Beechdean Aston car, but thankfully it avoided the stricken Toyota. As the sun rose, a lot of attrition hit the top class, as some of the P2 cars were in the top 5 of the race. One of the most exciting finishes came in the GTE Pro class, with the number 97 Aston Martin having a fierce battle with the number 63 Corvette. With minutes to go, the cars were swapping leads, and the final blow in the battle happened at the second chicane on the Mulsanne straight. The Corvette was pushing so hard that Jordan Taylor could not slow the car down heading into the chicane. He went straight through the gravel and back onto the circuit. With the Corvette's dirty tires, the Aston was really gaining ground, and by the last corner of the Ford chicanes, the Aston got a better run off the corner and dove up the inside, taking the lead with 1 lap to go. The Vette tried to counter, but entering turn 1, it overshot the corner, and then it had another moment near Tête Rouge. The Vette suffered a puncture from going off in the gravel and ended up 3rd in class. As for the Beechdean car, it stayed out of trouble and secured a 4th place finish in its class. And here is the number 99 Beechdean Aston Martin AMR car. It's in a cool blue box, and for 2017, this has a different graphic on the back. We see the Dunlop Bridge, the pit building, and all the media towers. 24 Le Mans logo. There's the car class and the car number. And on the other side, you get the car code from Spark and the year that it raced. But yeah, this is my first 2017 car, and the box is cool for this year. But I'm ready to unbox it, so let's do it. The Beechdean Aston has one of the most striking liveries, and when I first saw this car, it was this blue chrome that really took my breath away. The livery design is incredible, with this blue chrome and the white with the orange and the red, and the way the blue chrome is decorated on the car. The front is incredibly striking, with the chrome going over the headlights and around the grille, then streaking up over the hood and then finishing on the back. You get this huge British flag on the top, and then you have a huge swath of blue chrome on the side. I just can't get over how awesome it is. And when I started getting good at liveries in Gran Turismo Sport, I attempted this livery and it actually turned out really well. One of the famed Aston Martin drivers, Nicky Team, nicknamed this car the ice cream car because Beechdean is an ice cream sponsor, but it has such a cool ice cream look to it. And this car is incredibly striking from any angle. I can't decide which side I like the best. The top looks awesome, but I also like the front, the side, and the back. It's just cool. The drivers for this number 99 car were Andrew Howard, Ross Gunn, and Oliver Bryant. They stayed out of trouble and ended up 4th in class. What a great finish. Here is the Aston Martin number 99 Beechdean car, or the ice cream car, and I can't believe it's in my collection. It's one of my favorite liveries of all time, and I can't wait to display it among the others. If you like this video, give me a like and a follow. I've got a lot more Spark cars to unbox, and I'm uploading a new video every Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.